Hi everyone. Welcome back to the Raised Bed Garden series. Today, we're going to be prepping the area where we're building our new DIY raised beds. It's a nice cloudy day. It's a perfect day for a project like this. We're excited to work on it together.
So the first thing we're going to do today is we're going to demo this entire stage and table, furniture, etc. Kind of a sad moment too though, because this has been in our family for 11 years now. The kids were little when we had family parties on here.
Yeah.
It's kind of a tough thing to do, but it's time for a change.
Time for a change. Well, Drew's band played here. We had so much fun, but we're at a different point in our life now, and we're really excited about some new raised beds. So bringing you guys along, it's going to be a fun day.
First order of business, strike everything off the stage. Bye-bye chairs. All right, if I remember right, these tiles are loose. Yep.
I think they are.
Okay, here we go. Oh, yeah, this is easy.
Piece of cake. Got the tiles. Gotta move the smart pots now. Got my lighter to disconnect the drip. Gonna move them off and just put them right over here.
Hey, before we start demo, do you mind if we just kind of sit?
Sure. A lot of memories here, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. 10 years, I think it's been here.
Yeah, I haven't really seen the deck with anything on, nothing on it, I mean, in a long time.
Been a long time. Remember when Drew had his band play here, one of their first shows?
Yeah.
Jules had parties, she had shows with her friends and parties with her friends. It's kind of sad.
Yeah, it's kind of like an empty room, you know, when you're moving out of a place and you leave the room empty. There's just a lot of memories there.
Yeah.
So you kind of just you feel a little bit empty, like you're leaving that. And I'm so grateful for this deck and the backyard show that we had. It just, you know, it was just such a blessing and such a gift, and just kind of sad to be taking it down.
It's very bittersweet, but we are in a new season of our life. The kids are grown up, not home as much anymore.
Yeah, yeah.
And looking forward to the new garden space, but also to creating a space that we can really use and enjoy for ourselves too. But yeah, it's definitely tough.
Okay, let's do it.
All right, let's do this.
Thanks, everyone. Here we go. I'm afraid there's something alive under here. First one, 3, 2, 1, lift. Oh yeah, a little bit uneventful.
Ooh,
but
lots of ants.
Yep.
Lots and lots of ants.
Five plank. Oh, look at that. You see that?
Oh my gosh.
That is Mac's old toy that we've been looking for. I think a critter
That's been gone for like 2 years. How did it get there?
must have taken it and just drug it under here. It had to have been a squirrel. Well, we can just wash it. It's good as new.
Nah, that's going in the trash. I'm hoping we can reuse some of this wood too for our new raised beds. Some of it's rotted out, but some of it we can reuse.
Yeah, a lot of it looks.
Kind of rotted, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It doesn't go to waste.
Get it out of the way up on the driveway. Oh. Whoa.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
I didn't know that was going to happen.
I didn't either.
Tipping.
Whoa.
Again? Yeah, we got the top slats all removed. We're almost there.
Way to go, Jerry. This is
Nice.
fun. Phase 2 of the demo is taking out the frame of the deck. Now, we thought we were going to be able to save some of this wood, but let me show you, once we're getting in here, we're seeing how rotted out the middle pieces are. I mean, this thing's been here for about 10 years, so lots of moisture, lots of weather. Look at this stuff. It's just giving way, falling apart, and there's no way we want to repurpose them. However, the side pieces here are actually looking like they're in pretty good shape. So once we get everything taken apart, we'll take a look at these, and maybe we can repurpose these for our new raised beds. This was light. Oh yeah, yeah. in.
Looking really good.
It's looking great.
Happening a lot faster than I thought it would.
Yeah, this piece feels solid.
The final piece, here it goes.
Yay, we did it.
Hammer out, hammer down.
Gun show's in town. Good job, Jerry. That thing is heavy. Yeah.
Teamwork. Let's wrap it up.
Okay.
I'm beat.
Yeah, you're done. We did it.
Yes.
Way to go. It didn't take near as long as we thought, but man, those last footers.
Now here's the funny part though. We have a little bit of a, I don't know that we both agree yet with what's going to happen here in this space. I'm thinking of something really decorative, something big, maybe three-dimensional that you can walk around and that kind of thing. Raised beds are going to be really cool.
Yeah, I'm thinking raised beds, but I don't know. I don't think Jerry's thinking as many raised beds as I am. So we'll have to see what we're going to do with this space, but whatever we're going to do, it's going to be fun. Looking forward to using it and showing you all how to build some of the DIY raised beds in my new book. So make sure you grab my new book, The First Time Gardener, Raised Bed Gardening, and the Raised Bed Kitchen Garden Seed Collection. When you buy them in the bundle, you get $5 off, and I'm also offering $5 off a $30 or more purchase on my website, and you also get a free cucumber seed packet with your purchase. So go over to CaliKimGardeningHome.com. We have tons of more videos to come in the Raised Bed Garden series.
This is going to be good.
We're just getting started. So comment down below what you think we should do in this space besides raised beds, and we can't wait to read all your comments. Thanks so much for watching and hanging out with us for the demo.
Yep.
We'll see you on the next video.